Good morning, you all. This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. I'm currently at Port Lookout, New York, and we are going deep sea fishing. We are targeting sea bass and porgy for the trip. Passionate fishing, happy living. Let's get on the boat and have a fun.
That was so beautiful. Oh, look at that.
We caught a few different fish species during this trip, including sea bass, porgy, bluefish, shark, and even stingray. Today I'm going to show you how to make a squirrel fish using sea bass. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. After remove the scale, open the belly and remove the gut. Remove the head and start to fillet the fish. Cut off the backbone and leave the fillet attached to the tail. Trim off the rib cage. Make a cut through the fillet to the depth of skin. Now slice the fillets across to the level of skin. Rinse the fish with cold salted water. Now coat the fish with the egg yolk. Using cornstarch and thoroughly coat every inch of the fish. Glue the skin together with egg white. Dip the fish in hot oil to form the shape first. Fry the fish for about 3 minutes until it's golden brown. For sauce, you need 80-gram tomato sauce, 4 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons vinegar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Add tomato paste in the wok. Add sugar and vinegar mixture. Finally, add some hot oil to the sauce. Pour the sauce onto the fish. Squirrel fish I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.